to move in here from Ray White and Hardy Bay. 20300 Road Harbour Drive in Scarness. This is a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single garage, double shed home. At the entry of the property, we have a small patio area. Your living area is 4.7 metres by 3.9 metres. Does have a ceiling fan. Storage cupboard in the hallway. Bedroom 4 is 2.6 metres by 2.6 metres. Your main toilet. Bedroom 3 is 2.9 metres by 3.5 metres. Does have a ceiling fan and a walk-in wardrobe. Bedroom 1 is 3.5 metres by 3.5 metres. Does have a ceiling fan and a walk-in wardrobe. Bedroom 2 is 2.6 metres by 3.7 metres, also with a ceiling fan and a built-in wardrobe. Your main bathroom. Nice big kitchen with electric appliances. Plenty of room for any size fridge. Your lounge room is 4.7 metres by 3.5 metres. Does have a ceiling fan. Your balcony is 5.8 metres by 2 metres. This shed is 7.6 metres by 8.4 metres. Does have a double door. Under the house, we have your single garage and your laundry. Storage cupboard over here. This storage area is 4.2 metres by 6.7 metres. Have another little storage space. A toilet. And this space here is just under the stairs, so just another little storage space. Do have side access down the side of the house and plenty of room to pull into the shed. Thanks for coming with us, guys. If you have any questions, please give us a call.